All right, ladies and gentlemen, from all over the world, welcome to join TOSAN live stream. And today I'm going to introduce TOSAN welding series with my partner Melly. So Melly, say hello to our friends.
Hi, what's up, everyone?
All right, you know Melly, the TOSAN welding series actually contain 50 different kinds of products, right?
Yes, it's quite full range.
So Melly, what are the features of this machine in front of you? Can you talk about it?
Sure, of course. So this one here, as we introduced just before, this is our TTC-40i cutting welding machines. So 60i is pretty straightforward. That means the maximum currency this one takes is 60 amperes and can cut material about 15 to 20 millimeters of thickness. And this one actually, if you take a look at the panels right here, we have a 2T and 4T modes, and we equipped with a welding torch model, so it will be giving you a very smooth cutting line result. And also we have a post-flow time. Because of the function, then it will be giving you adjustable time for cooling down of that period and reach the results you want to achieve. And also, if you take a look at the F2 buttons, that's our oil and gas expectations. And so I think that's straightforward of the introduction of these machines. For more information, I think we should go and look at our VCR.
All right.